My brush just freaking broke. Basic filming essentials. Strawberry, it's a Trenta strawberry acai refresher with light ice because Starbucks be making you pay $8 for these drinks that they literally put 2 sips in. If you can hear all those clinking in the background, it's my washer and dryer. Still have to adult, you know. Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I am filming a one palette tutorial using the I always want to say controversy. Using the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette, and I am literally showing you that this palette, using this palette, you don't have to use the crazy shades every time you use it. That this palette could be used as an everyday palette, and that you can do a fall look, you can do an everyday look like what I have on, or you can use the pops of colors and stuff like that. I tell you how you can kind of transfer into using pops of colors in the video. Yeah, I really just wanted to show you that this is an amazing palette. All of Jeffree Star's palettes are amazing, but I feel like this is one of the palettes that you can actually use every day. I don't really think people want to do a red look every day or people want to do a blue look every day. With this palette, you don't have to. You have the browns, you have the neutrals, you have the black, you have the smokies, then you also have the pops of colors. Very simple, very everyday like. And I also going to talk about how I'm 10 subscribers away from 200 subscribers, and I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 200 subscribers, so stay tuned for some information on that. But yeah, if you would like to see how I got this very easy, wearable, everyday look from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette, then just keep on watching. So if you haven't already saw the unboxing, talking about ordering, all of that, then go watch it now. For today, we're going to be doing a one palette tutorial, and I'm using the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. But if you're asking me, okay, like why are you wearing a super nude lipstick and also green when about to play with pops of colors? The reason why I wanted to film with this today and wearing what I'm wearing is because I want to be able to show you that even if you're not skilled in pops of color or comfortable with color yet, you can still get a very wearable fall type of vibe look with this palette. There's a lot of colors that you can use and a lot of shades that you would be able to use and get away with without digging into the pops of colors. So we're gonna dig into that today, and if you watched the first video, you do know that I use mainly a little bit of the pops of colors. I do have photos and stuff. I don't like to show you like this, like this, like this. Ouch! Okay, that's why I don't like to show you that. So I do put it up on the screen for you to see, and we're going to go right into it. I do already have my face done. For primer, I'm using the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. I'm using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Complexion, Multi-Sculpting Concealer, the Pretty Vulgar Powder, Benefit Pencil, Precisely My Brow, the NYX Control Freak Brow Setter. You already know what bronzer I'm using. The Tarte, I think it's the Party Blush, and the Becca Prosecco Pop highlighter. And then for lipstick, I'm using Jeffree Star's Baby Daddy and Anastasia's lip gloss in the shade Citrine. Just make sure that your lids are set. For my lids, usually I use concealer, and I did use concealer. I just brought it over the top and set it. So you just want to make sure that your lids are set. And I'm using my Morphe M533 brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade My Pills. And this is going to be like a crease and transition color, just to be the first shade that we put down. Be careful going into these shades because they are extremely sensitive is the word I like to use, but they do kick up a lot of powder. And I'm going to use my Morphe E22 brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Tanacon. Literally be super easy dipping into these shades. They're extremely powdery. I'm going to show you, if I can without it spilling, how powdery it is. Are you able to see the powder in Tanacon and My Pills? And this is going to be focused right in my crease. This is just going to be an easy, wearable makeup look. And because I do have foundation on already and all of that, I'm being extra careful on the outer corner. And then I'm back in my Morphe M533 brush, and I'm going to blend those two shades together, just because we don't like any harsh lines over here. Then I'm going to use this Emax Design brush. It's kind of just like a, it's fluffy, but it's a flatter angled brush, and I like to focus this kind of like on the outer corner here. And I'm going to use the shade Diet Root Beer, and I'm kind of just stamping that there and being careful where that shadow ends up falling. But we do want this to be the outer corner. And I'm back with the Morphe M533 and blending that together with the other two shades as well as blending it out. Okay, and then I'm going in with this fluffy Emax design brush and dipping into the shade Pigment just to have a little bit of pinky in there and going right in the top of my crease as well as in my crease. And then back in with Diet Root Beer just to deepen up the outer corner. So I do kind of want to add a black, but the way I'm going to add it is very, very small. I'm going to use the Real Techniques brow brush. It's a slanted brush, and I'm going to dip ever so slightly into the black and then really, really dust it off and just stamp in the outer corner a tiny, tiny bit. Just because you want it to look smoky, but not like too smoky. And then I'm using the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush and blending that. You can literally probably not even see it on camera or in person, but I know it's there and it makes me feel a little bit better. Then I'm going to take a very flat brush, and this is the Morphe M421 brush. And I'm going to take the shade Just a Theory, and I'm going to place this from my inner corner to the middle of my lid. I don't want it to be overpowering, so I am going in with kind of a light hand because this can be a very, very shiny shade, but I just want it to have a little bit of shimmer, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to go ahead with my finger and blend it. If you want this to have more of a power punch, you go in straight with your finger and it'll literally look crazy. It'll be extremely pigmented, but I don't want it to be that loud. What's everybody eating for dinner? I made Portuguese pot roast the other day. Delicious. And then I made asparagus soup, which is also good. Except the Ninja blender didn't puree it. It's a little bit like grainy, and my husband doesn't like that, but oh well. And then I'm going to dip into the shade Ranch, which is a very, very shimmery white, and I'm going to put that right in my inner corner. If you don't know by now, I live for an extremely highlighted inner corner. And then I'm also taking the same brush. It's a Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled. It's the one I always use for my inner corner. And I'm going to go right under my brow bone with it and blend that out. And that is it. Oh my gosh, I almost just finished this video without doing a lower lash line, and that cannot happen. Okay. So I'm going to take Tanacon with this Morphe E35 brush, and I'm going to blend from outer corner to inner corner. Something we could just slap on here. And then taking Root Beer and doing the same exact thing. I never do this, but because I included a tiny bit of black at the top, I feel like it'd just be fitting if I use this Milani Kohl Kajal eyeliner in the shade Black. And I'm going to line my waterline with this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you already know the deal. I burned my eyelash curler with a lighter so that way my lashes can stay curled. I use the Essence Get Big Lashes in Waterproof. And then once it's a little bit dried, I use the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit. Last week I didn't upload on Wednesday and I didn't upload on Sunday. And the main reason was because I finished class, but it was also the 5-year anniversary of the start to everything that happened with my dad and all of that. And I just didn't feel like editing. I didn't feel like taking the time to film. I really just wanted to be home and chill, not have to worry about anything, just think about stuff and just relax. I am, as of right now, 10 subscribers away from 200 subscribers, so I have 190 subscribers, which is awesome. Super thankful for everybody who has been subscribed since day one and everybody who is recently subscribing and will continue to subscribe. I do plan on doing a giveaway once I reach 200 subscribers. And that'll be open for a few weeks. I just gotta think about what I want to give away. I think I want to do a few of my favorite products. It's not going to be a huge giveaway because 200 subscribers is still a little bit of subscribers and I have ways to go. But just doing a little giveaway to show you that I appreciate you subscribing and supporting my channel and watching my videos and stuff like that. So I definitely think that I'm going to do some of my favorites. If you have any ideas on videos you would like, on products that I should include. Let me know. I'm definitely open, but yeah, I definitely plan on doing a giveaway, so make sure that you are subscribed so that way you can get the video when I upload about the giveaway and what I'm giving away and how long it's going to be open and when it is. Right now, I'm not sure. I'm just letting you know there will be one. I really like this look. Very simple, very everyday look that you can get with something that you were probably like, oh my gosh, I can't buy that palette because I have no idea how to use the colors. I wouldn't be able to use it every day. And it's literally just proving to you that this could 100% be an everyday palette. And then, like, while doing this, you can, instead of doing ranch as the inner corner, you can do food videos, which is like the yellow in the inner corner and stuff like that. It's definitely just preference.
Bless you.
Thank you. So this is the end of my one palette makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.